Welcome! If you've been looking for a way to tidy up your Facebook page and remove those extra categories, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step through the updated process for removing categories from your Facebook page using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to update. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you're choosing the correct one. Once you're on your page, look for the menu on the left side and click on About. This section contains all the key details about your page, including your categories. Now, next to the Categories section, you'll notice a small edit icon that looks like a pencil. Click on this icon to start editing your page's categories. You'll see a list of all the categories currently assigned to your page. If you want to remove a category, simply click the X next to the one you want to delete. You can remove as many categories as you need, just make sure you leave at least one, since Facebook requires every page to have a primary category. Once you've finished making your changes, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom. This will update your page and remove the unwanted categories. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Facebook page categories using the latest update. Keeping your categories accurate helps people find your page more easily and ensures your business or brand is represented exactly how you want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.